Hello friends, today I am going to explain the AI legal assistant system that I have developed using the Python. So these are the dependencies on this project, majorly the Flask as a framework and Torch as a AI services library I have been using, as well as the transform. There is the NumPy is little bit using, and the other like the OpenAI also I have been using in this project. So majorly it is SQLite based, so you don't need to any dependency on the backend system like the database, but SQLite itself is enough. So basically I want to build a system that work in the any devices, so can work in the offline mode. So that is the plan. But let me explain. And the AI model, basically I have been using the Hugging Face. So this is the front end. So it is all about what exactly the service it is offering. So that is called AI Legal Assistant, your guide to Indian law, mainly the Bharat Nyaya Samhita. So what exactly it is about it? It is the instance answer, expert guideline, 24 by 7 availability, comprehensive coverage, all the BNSS and BNS and the BSA, family law, consumer rights, and more, right? So it is completely PWA. So progressive web application. So what is the legal categories available in this system? That is the BNS criminal law and the BNSS procedures and the BSA evidence, family code, consumer rights, and employment rights. So these I have been covered in this system. Let me start that is the legal assistance. So these models basically supporting this system, so that need a GPU to in the system, so then it will work. Without the GPU this system doesn't work. So as well as I have been using some Hugging Face APIs where they have been offering their system to render and response based on the API. So this is the different level of the system, like the panchayat and the which state you have been belonging to. So let us suppose you are in Karnataka, right? So based on this, you will get this all this, and then all the details, and you will make the question here. Then it will available based on the data on the AI stuff, right? So these I have developed using the Python and the Flask, as you have seen already. So these are the model. So it will explain every details, and it has an admin panel to manage the all the CMS stuff about the website. Let us suppose different pages. This is the dashboard. There is a clear picture what exactly happening around the system. These are the pages. We can build many pages as we want. These are the categories. So these are categories. We can build a new categories also in the system, as well as the question. We can build our own questions that will show on the front end exactly the what exactly question commonly available and commonly answered by the people. So we will automate this based on the customer response once we get the response from the customers. So these are the open API. These are supporting these kind of API right now. That is Open API, Claude, and the DeepSeek. So I'm going to add more things like uh, the install these models to your locally and just use them. Or if you have the GPU available in the your server, so you can utilize this model to your system, and you will get the proper response to the system and the chatbot response accordingly. So it is more product grade system. So it is not like as we install these all these models, so it will respond very greatly in the front end based on the chatbot. So let us suppose I am going to add any APIs. Let us suppose OpenAI, then it has an API keys. Once we saved the front end, once we utilize this Open API, then front end we can use that APIs, right? So hope you understand all this. Let me go through another some pages of the system. Let us suppose features, as I have explained already. Okay. So that is enough for today. If you have any question and regarding this system and any further needs to explore any other ideas to expand this system in areas different in the legal system, so definitely it will help to understand and move this project in the productive environment. Okay. Thank you for your great help and listening to me. Thank you.